Artificial intelligence is popping up in every facet of life. Elon Musk is working on a robotic personal assistant. Tools like Jasper can now write blog posts. It should be no surprise that AI can also help manage your finances. Robo Advisors are a new way to build an investment portfolio without the services of a human financial advisor. This tool uses artificial intelligence to analyze your financial situation, recommend portfolio options, and rebalance your portfolio according to your goals and risk appetite. A robo-advisor can pick stocks and manage your investments, guiding you through predetermined paths that match your goals. Robo-advisors are automated financial services that allow people to manage their investments from the comfort of home. They analyze account performance, calculate risk levels, offer investment recommendations, and track progress from a single online platform. Robo-advisors use computer algorithms and machine learning techniques to provide personalized advice based on an investor's age, income level, portfolio size, and other factors. Most robo-advisors operate for a fraction of the fees charged by traditional financial advisors and require no minimum account balance. In fact, there are many robo-advisor options that provide free portfolio management services. This makes them an attractive option for those starting out in investing who lack prior experience managing their finances. Robo-advisors also access large pools of data to assess stock market trends to maximize customer returns. By taking the guesswork and human error out of decision-making, robo-advisors allow people who may need to gain experience with investing to gain access to financial growth opportunities that may have previously been inaccessible due to a lack of knowledge or resources. With the convenience of robo-advisors, it can be tempting to let them handle your investments. However, it is important to remember that these advisors are merely computer algorithms, and with that comes limitations. Therefore, while they are programmed with your best interest in mind, they may not give advice that takes things like market cycles into consideration. Additionally, there tends to be limited customization options with robo-advisors, which can limit the control and flexibility you have over your portfolio. Suppose you want to ensure all factors are considered in designing the best possible portfolio for you. In that case, it is worth looking into professional human guidance alongside robo-advisors. When it comes to investing your hard-earned money, it is important to consider all options carefully. Robo-investors will be limited in answering complex questions or providing details about your investments. When it comes to investing, robo-advisors offer a number of advantages over traditional strategies. One of the most significant benefits of robo-advisors is their ability to automate delicate portfolio balancing for busy investors who may need more time or financial knowledge to manage their funds. Through the use of algorithms and optimized asset allocations based on each user's risk tolerance and goals, robo-advisors provide a steady and reliable means of building wealth with minimal effort, creating an affordable, low-risk environment. Additionally, since these services are available online, users can access their portfolios 24/7 and easily see where their money is being allocated at any given time. All of this combined makes robo-advisors an ideal choice for investors looking for convenience and ease when making financial decisions. For those looking to get started in investing, robo-advisors can be a great way to begin.